We're very excited to be at CIIE again. It is one of the most important events in the global calendar. It puts us into direct contact with other leading brands and businesses, so there's so much information and innovations that is shared. So it's really nice to be able to visit from a New Zealand perspective. For us, it allows us to get very close to the Chinese consumer. Like, we're so impressed that CIIE is carrying on. I think it really shows the resilience of the Chinese people, the economy. And we've got similar values. Like, we really believe in sharing and helping, and I think at this time, when times are tough, we have to pull together, work together and share, and that's going to be the thing that helps us get out of this difficult time. And it also inspires businesses and people to do their best and to help others as well. So it's very important. We're very happy that they're continuing, and we want to do that and support them because we believe that we are one and we should all work together.
And interestingly, the area they're in, oral care and hand sanitizers and things like that is definitely a growth area. And a number of New Zealand companies are looking at that area as an opportunity